Amy, and today I will be showing you the slide effect on images using Photoshop, as shown in this final image right here. So what we're going to do is open the image that we wish to use. So then once that is opened, we can start cutting out the image to use for our slide effect. So just go over to the quick selection tool and you can begin by selecting the area of the image that you wish to use to cut out. And as you can see, if you went a little above the area that you wanted to use, you can just hold down the Option key on a MacBook and it will just delete that area for you. So then once that is done, you're just going to right click and then press select and mask, or you can go up to the top and press select and mask. So then underneath the properties bar over here, you're going to go all the way to the bottom and then go to the output settings and then go output to and then layer mask and then just click OK. So then once that is done, we are going to start on creating our background for the image. So you're going to create a new layer down here, and I'm going to be using a gradient tool, so just right here, and using the black and white radial gradient. So then you can just begin by dragging it wherever you wish you would like it to go. And then once that is done, you're going to want to drag this layer underneath so that the clock is above it. And I'm just going to add a little bit more to the background by using the paint bucket tool and having it still selected on black and then just creating circles around the image like this. So now that the background is done, we can go up to the clock and begin with our slide effect. So our first step is to duplicate this layer. So you're going to want to hold down Option on a MacBook and then just drag it up to duplicate it. So then your next step is to click on the layer mask and right click and then press apply layer mask. And now you're going to go up to the top and press the rectangle tool. And then this is where you're just going to select an area of your image so that you could cut out. And if you are unhappy with the selection that you have made, you can just press Command Z and it will undo what you did. And you can try again. Alright, and then once that is selected, you're going to go right click and then press Layer via Cut. And then you're going to want to do that one more time. So now that you have your two new layers, we are now going to move them to create the slide effect. So now go and select the layer 2 and then go to the move tool and hold down shift and press the arrows so that you can move the image over to as far as you would wish it to go. And then do that with the other one that you have created. So now that that is done, if you now go down to the layer 0 right here, you can hide the image, and as you can see, the slide effect is shown. So we have no use for this layer anymore, so you can just go down and delete the image. So here you go is the slide effect on images using Photoshop. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.